In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an API to Tableau. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your preferred API into Tableau, enhancing your data visualization capabilities. So, let's get started. First things first, open your Tableau public app. This is where you will be doing all of the setup to link your API. Make sure you've got the latest version, as updates can sometimes change how things look or which features are available. Once Tableau is open, navigate over to the Connect pane situated on the left-hand side. This section is crucial as it's your portal to connect with various data sources. Usually, it's the second option down from the top in the sidebar. Notice how Tableau provides several built-in options, making it compatible with a wide range of services and data types. Next, scroll through the list until you find an option labeled Web Data Connector. This feature is essential because it allows Tableau to pull data directly from web-based APIs, which is precisely what we need. Click on it and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the connector URL. Now you'll need the Web Data Connector URL for your specific API. Go ahead and paste that URL into the dialog box that appeared earlier. Be precise in copying and pasting the URL, as any typo could lead to an error or failed connection. After pasting, just press the Enter key, which will initiate the process and let Tableau start loading your chosen Web Data Connector. During this process, don't be surprised if Tableau prompts you to authenticate with an API key or other necessary credentials. APIs often require authentication to ensure that only authorized users can access the data. Make sure you have all the necessary login information or API keys handy before you start. Follow any additional instructions provided by the connector interface. Each API can have its nuances, so there might be specific steps to follow. You'll find that most instructions are straightforward, often guiding you step by step through any configurations or settings. Finally, you'll need to configure the connector as per your requirements. This may involve selecting which data points you'd like to visualize or using filters to manage how the data is imported into Tableau. Taking the time to properly configure your data source will make your analytics work far more effective and meaningful. And there you have it, a straightforward method to connect an API to Tableau for richer, more dynamic data insights. This integration not only widens the scope of your data analysis, but also ensures that you are able to pivot your strategies with real-time data inputs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Tableau and other data analytics tools. Goodbye for now.